One man united the steppes. Now imagine if he had our technology. You better known as Genghis Khan, the conqueror in human history. But what if his empire had drones, satellites, and an AI war room? This is ChronoMind. Episode 3. Meet Arda, the advisor, an AI built from every military campaign in history.
I have analyzed 4,000 years of warfare. Your empire could be the largest in human history. Faster.
I conquered half the world with horses and bows. What can your machine spirits offer me? Speed, sight, and a mind that never sleeps. The Mongols already mastered speed and intelligence gathering. Now add 21st century tools. Your enemies are moving grain convoys west of Samarkand. They don't know we're watching. Then we already know how this ends. Scouts once rode ahead of the army for days. Now, drones do it in minutes. City walls 40 feet. Garrison 3,000. Water supply vulnerable southeast gate. Show me where they are weakest.
Here. Their engineers repaired it poorly after the last siege.
Real-time intelligence transforms an army built on patience into one built on precision. Every unit is now connected. No messenger delays. No lost orders. What once took a rider 3 days now takes 3 seconds. An army that moves as one mind. Phase 2, the siege reimagined. The Mongols were siege innovators, adopting Chinese gunpowder and engineers.
Recalculating trajectory for maximum wall fracture with minimum civilian casualties.
You care about their people?
A ruined city cannot pay tribute. A living one can.
Practical. I like that. Night became the Mongols' ally. Modern optics make darkness a weapon. Their watch has fallen asleep. Recommend advance in 9 minutes. The city falls without the devastation of a prolonged siege. Genghis Khan mastered psychological warfare, letting fear travel faster than his army.
Deploying information campaign. Neighboring cities will hear of your mercy toward those who surrender.
Why conquer a city, surrender before you arrive? This is not the way of the sword.
No. It is the way of the story people tell about your sword.
Reputation, amplified by information, becomes its own army. But even the greatest conqueror in history had questions no machine could answer. You can win me the world. Can you tell me what to do with it? That has never been a question of data, Khan. It is a question of legacy. The real Genghis Khan built something technology alone never could. Connection between civilizations. Then let the machine win the wars. I will win the peace.
With modern tools, historians estimate his empire could have doubled in size in half the time. History says 12 million square miles. ChronoMind says this.
The empire ends. The question is, what it leaves behind.
What if history's next conqueror was an idea? Subscribe for episode 4.